Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the account that owns the Game Pass. This ensures you can manage billing and access. Once signed in, go directly to Settings or Account and open the Subscriptions or Services and Subscriptions page to view active passes. Make sure to have your device and any verification codes ready because stores often require confirmation. You want immediate access to the pass entry, so don't navigate through storefront tiles. Open the subscriptions list and find the Game Pass entry to begin removal. You now cancel the pass by selecting the Game Pass entry and choosing Cancel or Turn off recurring billing. This stops future charges. Once you pick the option, follow the on-screen prompts and read the confirmation page carefully because it shows the final access date and whether any prorated refund applies. Make sure to note or screenshot the cancellation confirmation ID. This helps if billing disputes arise. If you used a console, confirm cancellation in both console and web account to avoid duplicate active settings. Finish by removing local ties. Uninstall games linked to the pass or revoke device licenses so the pass no longer appears as active on that console. Once done, monitor your billing statement for one billing cycle to ensure charges stopped. If the pass still shows active or you were billed, contact customer support promptly. Provide the cancellation confirmation ID and ask for an account audit. Troubleshooting tip: if the store claims no cancellation, request a transcript of the cancellation action and escalate with payment provider if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.